Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Delilah will contest in Sholim constituency with the blessings.
First priority me.
Okay.
BJP जर म्हटलें की एखाद्या वेळी तांकां जनिता मडकयेंकाराक तिकेट दिवंक जाय.
As to why for a very long time a lot of young people in India felt very disconnected and disenchanted from politics. आप सोचिए 2014 के पहले आप भारत के पॉलिटिकल मैप को आप अंदाज करिए, अनुमान कीजिए आपके मन में. What was the nature of India's politics and political parties? From Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, almost every state, every political party was run by a family or one or two family members. If you look at India's political map, you will find that India's democracy was strangled. India's democracy was in the kabja of a few political families which were run not as political parties but as private limited companies. This was the skewed definition of democracy in India 2014 se pehle. When this is the case, why will young people be interested to join politics? In 2014, Narendra Modi ji proved to India and proved to the world that democracy is not merely an idea in the constitution, but it is a living principle in Bharat, when he proved to the world that a chai wala can rise to become the Prime Minister of India.
फॅमिली राजाचो धग एकल्याक बातपाक लागलो, जो तो आपल्या पद्धतीन शिनाल दिता.
एकटो विचारपाक लागलो ह्या पार्लमेंटाचो उद्देश कितें काय म्हणून. हांवें म्हटलें तुका कळचो ना, कारण तूं येवकूच ना. एकदां येवन पळय. म्हाका दिसता आमचे तरणाटे जे आसा ह्या युवकांच्या विचारा पासून प्रेरीत जाल्ले आसा, ते कितें तरी घेवन घरा वयतले. आमकां लिडरशीप जायी. बाब तेजस्वी सूर्या हांणी ते सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आमकां घराणेशाही नाका, आमकां लिडरशीप जायी. तरणाटे जे आसा हे युवकांतले आमकां लिडर जाल्ले जाय, सोशल लिडर जाल्ले जाय, पॉलिटिकल लिडर जाल्ले जाय, सांस्कृतीक लिडर जाल्ले जाय. ह्या देशाक तरणाट्या युवकांची गरज आसा.
आदी बायला संसद, उपरांत युवा आनी उपरांत पंचायत. 4-5 दीस जाले ताळगांवच्या पठाराचेर हजारांनी गर्देची येवच. खानपान.
I was all of 28 years old. I do not come from a political family. My father is not the chief minister of a particular state.
हो तेजस्वी प्रश्न सरकार धरून बऱ्याच जाणांक अडचणीचो.